Here's how to please and worship Bhagwan Shiv in the month of Savan. The month of Savan, also known as Shravan, holds great significance for devotees of Bhagwan Shiv. It is believed to be an auspicious time dedicated to worshipping and seeking blessing from Mahadev. Devotees engage in various religious practices and rituals to please Bhagwan Shiv during this holy month. This year, the month of Shravan will last for 59 days instead of just 30. And here's how you can please Bhagwan Shiv and receive his blessings. First, offer Rudravishek. Offer water, milk, curd, honey, and other sacred substances on the Shivling while reciting hymns. Performing Rudravishek during the month of Savan, it is believed to appease Shiv and bring his blessings. It is essential to perform this ritual with devotion, purity of heart, and proper guidance from knowledgeable priests. Second, observe fasting. Fasting during the month of Savan is a popular practice among Shiv devotees. Many devotees observe Savan Somvar fast, which involves fasting on Mondays dedicated to Bhagwan Shiva. During this fast, devotees abstain from consuming food and water for the entire day or opt for specific types of fasting food. Fasting is considered an act of self discipline and devotion that helps purity the mind and body, and it is believed to please Bhagwan Shiva. Third, chanting mantras and stotrams. Reciting mantras and stotram devotional hymns dedicated to Bhagwan Shiva is a profound way to perform him during this month of Savan. The most well known and revered mantra is the Om Namah Shivaya mantras, which means I bow to Bhagwan Shiva. Chanting these mantras with sincerity and devotion can create a positive and spiritual atmosphere. Additionally, reciting the Shiv Tandav Stotram or other hymns praising Bhagwan Shiv can help establish a deeper connection with the divine. Fourth, visiting Shiva temples. Paying visit to Shiv temples during the month of Savan is a common practice among devotees. It is believed that the vibrations and positive energy in these temples intensify during this auspicious month. Devotees offer prayers, perform rituals, and seek blessings from the divine presence of Bhagwan Shiva. Fifth, read the scriptures. The scriptures such as the Shiv Purans, Ling Purans, etc., contains profound teachings, stories, and hymns dedicated to Shiva. By regularly reading and understanding these scriptures, devotees can gain valuable insights into the nature of Bhagwan Shiv and develop a deeper bond with him. Sixth, wear Rudraksh beads. Rudraksh beads are highly regarded as sacred and auspicious in Hinduism, particularly in connection with Bhagwan Shiva. These beads are believed to possess divine energies and are considered a symbol of Bhagwan Shiva's blessings and protection. Wearing Rudraksh beads is believed to enhance spiritual growth, promote mental clarity, and provide physical well being. How to worship Bhagwan Shiv? Cleanse yourself. Begin by purifying yourself through a bath or shower. Wear clean clothes and maintain a calm and peaceful state of mind. Second, set up the altar. Find a clean and dedicated space to create an altar for Lord Shiva. Place a shivling or an image of Lord Shiva as the center deity. Decorate the altar with flowers, leaves, and some auspicious items. Third, offerings. Gather items for offerings such as fresh flowers, fruits, willow leaves, milk, curd, honey, ghee, and water. These are considered sacred and are pleasing to Lord Shiva. Fourth, light the diya. Light a ghee lamp or diya in front of the deity. This represents the presence of divine light and signifies the removal of darkness from one's life. Fifth, chant mantras. Begin the worship by chanting the sacred mantras dedicated to Bhagwan Shiva. Popular mantras include the Mahamrityunjay mantra and the Om Namah Shivaya mantras. If you are unsure of the mantra, you can simply offer prayers from the depths of your heart. Sixth, Abhishekam, holy bath. Perform the Abhishekam by pouring water, milk, curd, honey, and ghee over the Shivling or the images of Bhagwan Shiva. You can recite prayers or mantras while doing this, expressing your devotion and seeking the blessings of Bhagwan Shiva. Seventh, offer. Place the offering of fruits, flowers, and other sacred items in front of deity. Visualize the Bhagwan Shiva accepting your offerings and receiving your love and devotion. Meditation and prayer. Sit in front of the deity and engage in meditation or silent prayer. Connect with Bhagwan Shiva on a spiritual level, expressing your gratitude, seeking guidance, and offering your prayers. Ninth, Aarti. Perform the Aarti by weaving a camphor flame in front of deity in a circular motion. Sing or recite the Shiva Aarti expressing your devotion and adoration. Prasad. Conclude the worship by offering prasad to Bhagwan Shiva. This can include fruits, sweets, or any other food item that has been blessed during the worship. Afterward, distribute the prasad to family members or other devotees. These are the common types of performing of puja and sadhana of Bhagwan Shiv during Savan period. Must comment Har Har Mahadev and also subscribe our channel for this type of detailed description of our rich Hindu culture text, and also follow our Instagram channel for more information, free gathering, etc.